Welcome! Today we'll show you 2 quick ways to open your PowerPoint presentations on a smart digital board. Method 1. Opening a local file. This is the most direct way if your file is already saved on the board or a USB drive. Simply double-click your file and it will automatically open in the PowerPoint app. On the NearHub S Pro, you can write or draw directly on your PPT using your finger or the pen touch. It's that easy to highlight key points. Method 2. Using PowerPoint Online. This is perfect for accessing your files from any location without a USB drive. Open your browser and head to the official PowerPoint website. Sign in with your Microsoft account to access all your saved presentations in the cloud. Just click on your file and you can start presenting directly from the browser. No installation required. Whether local or online, opening PPTs on your smartboard is fast and easy.